Hey, Robert Lesko back. Part 3 of the Lesko Ferrule tube installation. All the ferrule tubes are out. Okay, and for this, we're going to protect the finish, but we're going to drill from the front. Why are we drilling from the front? Because if we do get any chips or anything, we want them here where they're unseen. If you go slow enough, you won't have any chips. So we're just going to flip this over again. I'm not using the power drill yet. I'm just using the 5/16 bit. And bare knuckle with their pickups, they send you coasters. I like to use one to rest my hand on. Thank you, bare knuckle. For this, we just want to center it, and you're going to let the drill bit do its thing. And once you hit the wood, it's going to help guide down it. But it's important that you just go a little bit at a time, because what you're doing is you're scraping the clear coat, scraping the paint to prevent any chips. So I was struggling what to talk about when I'm making a video, so I want to talk about my ads a little bit, I think. Now, I'm not an advertising professional. I read articles about it, and it doesn't really seem to apply to guitar parts. And what I think is disgusting is how stupid they think we are. Create a sense of urgency. Well, you don't really need this. Your life's not going to change that much if you don't have it. For what it does for increasing sustain and basically making string changes a breeze, works great. But your life's not going to change if you don't have it. I don't really have a disclaimer. Just use it for its intended purposes. You know, this goes in your guitar, not anywhere else. Don't eat it. Don't throw it. You know, don't use it to stick it anywhere. It's just basically for the guitar. Now we got this, and now it's moving very nicely. Pull it out, you'll see it's almost completely round there. Take your ferrule tube. We got a little bit more paint to go, so we'll just do that. One thing to watch out for ads, and this is just my rant, is the disclaimers and the fact everybody seems to, you know, be selling fear these days. Be fearful you don't have white teeth. Be fearful you're overweight. You're just fine the way you are, trust me. I just saw one on a social anxiety drug that it's and the side effects was insomnia, migraines, and anal seepage. And I hate to really think what that's about, but neither of the three is going to make me feel better in public, so maybe that's how it works. You feel so bad you don't want to go out, and you don't care if you see anybody. Okay, and we have got it here. Okay, so now I'm going to do the rest, and we'll flip it over, and we'll do the drill part. All you want to do is slide in, and that'll keep the paint from chipping. So we'll see you soon for part 4.